What up? What up? Oh, all right. Let's get into ripping this up. Boom, 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 boom. What are you guys up to? Some big ass drops today. Quick scout while I set this up. Nope. All right. There we go. Everything should be set up. Everything's almost set up. OTD, what? Yo, what up? What up? What up? I'm just setting up. That's what we're up to. So I have a feeling we're going to climb all the way back up. It has the feeling. Bad day. Good morning. Why? What happened? What happened, Ray? All right, now I'm all set up. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we get going on. Damn. What happened? What was also working in linear garage candles? Yeah, I have it on my other screen. Um, I have it up. I'm looking. I'm playing around with a couple of things. Obviously, I just can't have everything on my screen. On the screen that you see. But dude, it looks like we're just. It doesn't look great. What data do I run through TradingView? I am not 100% sure what you mean. Where would I see that? I don't know where I would see that. I've never traded through TradingView. Oh, I have traded through TradingView like once. I traded live through TradingView, and I set up. If you guys don't know, you can sync your AMP account. You could sync your Tradeovate. Um, I didn't like it, so I was not a fan of it, to be honest. But yeah, I wasn't a fan of it, so I never did it. I did it like once. I felt like scalp. The problem is scalping. There's definitely some slippage that I was getting, so I just kind of backed away from doing it. I'm just looking. $100-point dump incoming. But first, let me get my 140 bucks. I figure there's slippage. Also, crypto, there's additional API fees. I did not know that. Yo, what's going on, FXCon? Morning's going pretty good. Stacking gains here. This is an eval up $136 in a funded account. That's an eval. And this is a funded account. I was actually down huge, but look, I caught this massive drop for 870 bucks. So can't complain. Can't complain. Things are going pretty good. I'm on tilt again. Just wiped every. Dude, Ray, just get one account. Let's start with one account and let's build it. Good morning, George. What's going on? Yeah, I would start off with one account, Ray. Let's start there. Let's start there and then work up from that. I think that's a let's get a payout. Nah, honey, I don't even, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. All these scripts that I'm testing are definitely opening my eyes up to a lot of different things. You know, I really wasn't a trend. What's up, John? Yo, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Yeah, I wasn't a huge damn, Ray. But yeah, I feel like the more I started doing the back testing videos on all the different scripts, it's really opened my eyes on a lot of different types of plays that are out there. You know, like today I took this. This was a great trade. So this is the 15-minute orb. We swept below. I literally put my buy right here. We came back up. We filled it, and I got this massive green candle. That was one of the trades we back tested, and it worked perfectly today. I also caught the opening range trade today. I don't know if you've watched that video, but basically I was late to do it, so I did not do it to the upside. But as soon as we went below 695, I caught my 4 points for $200 and something. So trades are working really well. Yeah, risk limits. Dude, I can't get involved in poker. It just takes too long for me. Is FXCon me or Ray? I'm profitable. I actually trade my own money outside of prop firms. I'm just back testing all these different things to just kind of put it out there for everybody, because I know there's a lot of new people in here, and I know there's a lot of new people in here, and I'm trying to come up. Holy fuck! Did I just do this? I just bought five minis instead of 5 micros. Yeah, I've done that twice within the last couple, like within the last week. I've done five. I hope so. I would. I want to see him bring it all the way back, all the way back. I wish I had another five though to sell it like right here below the 200. Just gonna hold. Man, we're in for some crazy days ahead. I'll just let you know. I mean, if you didn't know that already, I've been saying it for a while. This Trump stuff is going to get crazy. You know, I don't know if you were trading last night. Check this out. He talked tariffs, and we literally just went down 300 points real quick. Real quick. See, that's the problem. Is I don't. That's the. I don't want to say. It's just iffy trading. It's iffy trading because this is the first full day he's in office. He's definitely making moves. Um, it's going to get real interesting. Real interesting, really fast. Come down and retest the bottom, or are we going to sell through it? I'm just looking for a quick scalp off of 600 again. If we get it, we get it. Yeah, I've been debating to, normally I'm playing minis. I am debating to go to 5 micros for today and just use wide stops. Probably should have held that fucking one. Jeez. Oh, it's definitely choppy, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. I would like to pass some of these accounts that I got. Oh, look at that shit. That's crazy. It never filled me. Damn. Stopped me out. I went back in, took baby gains, and now we're all the way back up. This is just some serious chop. Recognize the chop. I even reduced positions on my my options account and things like that. I I don't want to get smoked. Um, I wrote some puts and stuff like that a little bit, but I don't want to sit here and get smoked. You know what I want to do real quick though? Apple's about to hit its 200 moving average on the daily, 218. Give me that alert. When that hits that moving average, I'm buying options. It's at 217.84. You place buys at orb and wait to get filled is what I saw. That's what I did today. I did so after we sold through, I placed a buy right here and then I caught it on the way back in. What indicator do I use for pivots? Right here. Pivot point standard. It's crazy because I remember when that wasn't even on TradingView. I had to pay $5 for the indicator. Some guy made it. Yo, what up, Sean? I still have his paid indicator, which is reminds me of 2017. Bull or bear? I mean, I would say we're just trading a range right now, and I would wait to see it break out. I don't really know if there's a. You got to remember, Trump is doing things as the market's going on, so it could look really good, and then he could just tweet something out or sign something, or something gets said on TV, and it completely changes it. You know, so I would just say, watch out. Definitely watch out. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? What up? I don't know if this is going to hold. I don't like that we were chopping here and now broke down, to be completely honest. I mean, it won, but that was a risky fucking trade. The reason why I don't like that is you kind of got like a double top here, and then now you're breaking the bottom at 99. Apple, this is the Apple chart on the 1 minute. This looks like it's about to dip, and when this dips, it's going to bring the NQ with it. So I'm getting yo, what up, CT? Yo, it does seem heavy. You ready to make that? Yo, I'm trying. I just think we're gonna get a dude, I don't know if you guys were trading back in 2016 to 2020, but like he was on China about these tariffs and other countries that was not great for the market that day. And I just feel like we're going to get back into that. It really feels like we're going to get back into some heavy tariff talk. all types of stuff like that. You've been filling the gaps all morning? What? This one indicator I have has just been a sell signal all morning since 9:18. We've been sell the whole time. So I don't. Yeah. Yeah. So what do you think that's going to do to the, what do you think that's going to do? That's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. Because then they retaliate with, fair value gaps. Yeah. I took this one earlier. I took this one and sold at the bottom of the orb right there. I was afraid we were going to hit and reject, so I had profit and I was out. I'm out. I did buy. Didn't buy. Cove, I'm so mad. I saw the Trump coin at 50 cents. What? I tried to buy Millennia coin at $3 and Solana's network crashed. I was going to buy $5,000 worth and I would have easily made 10 G's and I did not. I will say the coins were freaking crazy. That was like the coin thing was the craziest thing. Now, do you buy the Trump coin on the dip? Spend money to export labor and tax imports plus inflation equals inflation. Yeah, I think Musk is going to do a great job in cutting spending and all that type of stuff, but I think it's going to be a wild freaking ride. Yo, what up, Poker? What's up, David? I just think it's going to be a wild ride of just a lot of stuff, man. I remember it was 4 years of craziness. 4 years of, so that's why I got into futures originally. He would tweet something out like overnight and we would be down a lot and I would play the rebound in futures. That's what I was using my futures account for a while, not trading intraday. It was more for overreaction to news. I played like when Trump got COVID, I played that overreaction. He got COVID, they announced it at night and the market dumped for like an hour. And then I bought the way back up. Payout request tonight. Awesome, man. Where are you going to request it at? Doge got sued already? I didn't know that. Oh, man. What firm you requesting at? I'm guessing Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I was gonna say the last outside of COVID, you've kind of been up, and then once it flipped to inflation, it was just down, and then it flipped. I think you're gonna get a lot of up, down. Ah, nice. I gotta flip some of these green. Oh, I don't know. I'm not worried about. Just remember, when I trade this 150K account, I'm only trading that script. This isn't like me trading or anything. This is I'm following a script, and that's it. I just want you to be aware, so you're not like, but you got in there. I'm like, I'm not. This isn't it. I'm back. I'm forward testing something. There are a lot of departments and agencies that are either redundant or yeah. Make sure you got your stop losses in. That I can tell you. I mean he's gonna get rid of he's gonna combine stuff, get rid of stuff. It's gonna be interesting. I guess Argentina was in like a worse situation than we were, and they turned it around in 2 years. So I'm kind of curious what happens. I would assume we're gonna stop sending money to Ukraine, is what I would probably say is gonna stop pretty quick. You know, Ukraine's probably gonna stop. I'm waiting on tariff news, man. When he hits that tariff button, woo! That's the eject button. Yeah, I don't think they're going to. I bet you the Ukraine thing stops. That's my opinion. It's only my opinion, but it just seems that way. We, I know, but I'm saying he might come out with more stuff. He's going to hold tariffs over China for the U.S. to buy 50% of TikTok. That's going to be a thing. There's just going to be a whole lot of stuff that comes out, and it's going to be interesting. That's for sure. That's definitely for sure. Canada will fight back. Yeah, I don't know what they were going to tariff, like special goods. I don't know what they were talking about. Just become the 51st state, guys. Just come on over. Yeah, it's just wild. I mean, I just thought it was crazy that Trump launched a coin or multiple coins right before he took office. That was wild. I mean, it makes sense for him or Zuck to buy TikTok. Um, yeah, I mean, you got to think he also has businesses around the world, so he's pretty knowledgeable. You know, some of the things also are kind of stupid. Like who cares if you change it from Gulf of Mexico to Gulf of America? Like, let's focus on some of the bigger things we got here. Man, this is some. I didn't think we were going to get chopped. I thought today would be a trend down day, to be honest. Yo, Texans really want it. Yo, that Texan governor was like front row for Trump. The memes are amazing though. I feel like we're gonna go back up. Just feels it. Only because you got the V-shaped recovery. Oh, definitely to show dominance, without a doubt. He wants a better job. Don't listen to that. Yeah, it's what it do. Yo, what up, banging? He wants his name on everything. Space Force, dude. Space Force was interesting. I didn't know that was still like a thing. Space Force. I saw it on the back. What does Space Force actually do? Is it like a army for space? I mean, I don't really get the whole Space Force thing. I'm trying to find my oh, here we go. This is just chop. Star Wars, bro. Space exploration or space defense. Yeah, I mean, how much space defense do we need? I mean, who's out there? Darth Vader coming? Yo, what up, Flip? Oh man, freaking! I do think they're gonna break this up north. I just waited. Elon Musk's friend is out there, dude. That guy. I watched some of the videos of Elon, man. Like some where his eyes and his head are just like rolling around. He had to be on like some Xanax or something. He had to be on something that like made him almost loopy, and then he went crazy. Your yawn made me yawn. Yeah. U.S. military comms. Ketamine, is that what he takes? Dude, that guy was whacked. I was just watching it and I was like, jeez. His eyes are rolling around. Like somebody check that dude. And then he gets on stage and he's like running around all freaking crazy. I mean, I don't know. I mean, he's doing a lot of crazy things that the government needs for SpaceX. SpaceX is definitely pushing the programs forward. He did the Hitler salute. Bro, I just think he didn't know what he was doing. I guess the printing companies might mind it a bit more. Dude, he's just fucking wild. Yo, imagine being Elon's plug. Dude, he's just crazy, man. All right, are we finally breaking out of this thing? Do you care to buy Greenland? Greenland? I don't. That's not a. Greenland's not an issue for me. I've been calling him Lex Luthor since last year. Dude, that's funny. He's just wild. Just everything. How he took over Twitter, just everything in general. This is just the forward test, guys. Just letting you know, I got to keep reminding, this is just the forward test. I would never buy the breakout. I would have bought the dip probably. I was thinking about buying the dip, but I did not. We get over 57, it's going to be interesting. Oh, you were back testing it? Yeah. Yo, I'm telling you, man. Yo, some fucking hater was commenting on my video too. I was like, bro, what are you talking about? I back tested it and then I played it yesterday and it worked. And I played it today and it worked. So I don't know what he was talking about. Just being a hater. See, it's real risky forward testing this on a day that Trump starts office because if he says something stupid, it's going to wipe this thing out. Yeah, but I mean, hacks. It's definitely. I feel like it's definitely good. It's not bad. Well, I mean, what else would you use besides that to show it on the chart? I don't know what else you would use on the chart to show the flip of it. Like, you know, yeah, but what else would you what if you weren't going to use like that script, what would you use to show ATR moves? I found this one to be the cleanest of all of them. This one seems to get you in earlier and let it run and so you don't get chopped out. The other one would have went like long. It would have definitely chopped you up here. This is definitely smoother. Yeah, but you need to have something that gives you the sell signal is all I was saying. Like the take profits and stuff are the take profits to me are I really didn't follow it. I was looking to get 10 points, kind of like what I'm doing here. Like my net price is 649. I'm looking to get 10 points, and then I'm going to move my stop up to break even. I'll just. I'll have to look at that when I'm off the stream. Are you really not going to fucking hit my take profits? Is this going on? Are we breaking out? I hope so. For the sake of my account. Just fucking flash up, man. Flash up. Oh, what algo are you talking about? What's the name of it? Because that's the only way I can find it is by like an actual name. Fuck. Are you kidding me? This is looking like a really good short, to be honest with you. It needs to get the fuck up. Nah, this thing's gonna dump probably all the way back down to here. Failed breakout. Tight stop if we go down that far. Dude, NQ today has been really choppy. You got QQQ puts? I did MSTR. Quant Tower versus Ninja for charting. Does Quant Tower have a free built-in trade copier? Quant Tower has a trade copier, but if you want to trade through different prop firms at the same time, you got to pay extra for that. What's the next best long level? What's up, Dora? What up, Bull Breakers? I don't even like. If we trade back down to 610, 610, 606 is probably where I would say, you probably you got some order blocks down there. And I'd probably say that, you're going to bounce. Do you think Quant Tower is a bit more laggy? No. If any, I thought Ninja Trader was a bit more laggy. Ninja Trader just seems old to me, but it's cool because you can do all the different stuff. Yo, what up, Fred? That's what I thought, at least. Ninja Trader has a lot of cool scripts in it that you can add that you can't do on Quant Tower. Quant Tower, I think, is just better for overall trading, not anything else. No, this shit looks like it's in that little pocket that I always talk about. This is just an eval, but tell me this line doesn't get recalculated. Dude, why is VWAP messed up on my 642? Are you shitting me? VWAP is messed up on this chart. Unfucking believable. Dude, this is why you don't trust TraderVate. So this is supposed to be VWAP right here at 633, but actually it's at 642. Yeah, yo, it does. It's pretty hard on your computer, Ninja. Ninja definitely uses up a lot of resources, and then especially if you use some of the scripts, like I use that that Optimus Ninja. That thing uses a lot of CPU, man. Lot of CPU. I mean, I have Ninja Trader. I'm not, but man, it's pretty rough. I think it sucks resources because it's older compared to Quant Tower. See, this is, I don't know why everything's overlappy today. Super overlappy, which just leads me to believe everything's just very choppy. This is the fair value gap on this, which honestly I thought once we cleared, we would just go. On gold, let me see gold. Yo, what's the futures for gold on, oh, I can just look right here. Are you using it on the one, what chart are you using it on? Like the 1 minute? Dude, yo, Ninja does feel like Windows 95. Fuck, it's crazy. GC. Let me see what we got. Oh, I see what you did. Yeah. Dude, that's a massive pump. That's a massive pump. Well, I'm just curious. What was it before it was Ninja? What was it called? Was it just Trader? It was originally just a Dom. That's interesting. This thing just looks kind of bad, and I'll tell you why. Holy shit. Yo, that Nancy Pelosi stock. Dude, are you kidding me? Oh, I was in this stock. So Robinhood has 24-hour. I was in this yesterday at $40 with 200 shares. That shit's crazy. This is all because Nancy Pelosi bought it. That's awesome. This account blew, and we're going down. Like I said, I'm following the script here, so that's why. Volumetric charts freezing. What happens is you got to do this. Look, see this? You got to hit that. You got to redo it. You got to redo the connection. I can't go short in my other. I can't go short in Apex, but I'm kind of loving this. Told you. Woo! I'm trying to keep up with the other script for this account. It flipped red, but I missed. It's still green. I should have still been in. That's fucking. I kind of fucked up just there. Technically, it's still green. I'm gonna buy because I'm following the fucking thing. Do not. This is a forward test for whoever's new in the room. I'm not. This isn't one of my trades or anything like that. This is a forward test. Take a look cooler. Yeah, there's a bunch of them starting to do it. Yo, that was a good freaking drop right there. Pro account's at 557. The VWAP. Doesn't really look great. If I just take that out, let's just. I really thought when we were up here, it had a chance to really go. This literally missed my sell by 3 ticks. By 3 ticks, I would have made money. I would only be in half position. That's the craziest part about it. I just realized I got my printer behind me is just making freaking noise. What is that? I think my wife is printing something from her work at my house. I think I'm done with the pro account for today. 360. Today's fucking wild. I would like to pass some of these other take profit trader accounts, to be honest with you. Another 200 rejection. You think you're going to 580s? I feel like if you go to 580, you're probably going to go all the way back down and retest 525. Divorce papers? I don't know. Maybe. I got them. That's one way to lose half my account real quick. I took a ton of profits and stuff on a lot of things. Yo, Apple never came down and hit Apple never came down and hit the 200 moving average. Kind of upset. It looks like it wants to though. Come on, baby. Yeah, ES was so much stronger. So much stronger. Apple is down almost $10 today. I think though, if Apple can hit the 200, it'll bounce and the whole market will rip. But we're just waiting on it. I have an alert in. I'm waiting. But once it hits there, I'll buy some Apple calls. Do they work this all the way back up? Come on, I want to see a big fucking pop. Just can't get over the 200. What is leverage on options? What do you mean leverage on options? Are you talking about like margin, or are you talking about like one contract equals 100 shares? You know, why people use options is you can make a higher percent on your money really quick, but you could also lose a higher percent of your money really quick. You know, each contract's worth 100 shares, and you could buy them for a fraction of 100 shares. Yeah. You know, I always tell people, if you ever want to get started in it, you trade one contract at a time, and you are always out at least a month. You go out at least a month, if not further. Come on. Yeah. Well, they won't even let you do naked. Here, I'll show you. Holy shit, that was fucking a dip. See, so that script just turned red, but I gotta wait until it. What are I getting at? 15? Yeah, so that's 10 points. I'm just forward testing and seeing this thing. I'm just looking at the. Yo, what up? All right, so here, I can go over it right now. So I'm just trying to follow the thing. So here, if you wanted to buy, instead of buying 100 shares of Apple, that will cost you $20,000. You can buy one contract right here for $465 instead of 20,000. But you're saying that Apple is going to be above 2250 plus the premium. So you think Apple's going to be, it's got to be above basically 227 for you to break even. you pay a premium for the leverage. And then you can go in the money like this, which is some people do. So if you buy this at $21, you're only paying $1 premium. So you can buy this for $2,000 instead of buying the stock for $20,000, and you're only paying $1 premium. That's how I tell people to start, is something like that, where you're buying in the money. You're getting a little leverage, but you're not paying a lot of premium. Got another 50K eval on Topstep and $27 loss and locked out because of the 5 trade limit I set for the account. Oh, you can only trade. Oh, you set to only trade 5 times. What up, Lee? Blow is the word of the day. Use it in complete sentence. Dude, this thing's about to go downtown. This thing's about to really go downtown. Just feels it. This is like the chop before it drops a deuce. The only thing I don't like is we're super sold on the 1. Hey, Baba, whatever works for you is what you should do. If that's what works for you, then you should keep doing it. Feels like we're going to chop, 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 and then just expand down. New lesson: don't exceed 5 micros per trade. Cove, what if nothing works? Something's got to work. Raised on the micro train. Full port, baby. Full port is just so fun. I mean, it definitely looks weak. Even when it looks weak, you're going to get some type of bounces. I mean, the market's just not going to go straight down. We went from here down, bounce, down, bounce, down. There's going to be bounces. You want to see this go lower now. Don't trade until tomorrow. Yeah, just chill out, right? Just chill out. Always tomorrow. You're not going to fucking. See, this is how it's supposed to work. Now 22 is my break even. That's how it's supposed to work. Gold, YM, and the Russell are all pushing highs. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, what up, Josh? That's what happens also when when people are fearful. They rotate into CVS, Procter and Gamble. Those are the rotation stocks when things get iffy in tech land. There was actually some big flow into CVS for next January 52.5 calls. Just throwing it out there. You're hooking up with Darrell today? Ray, what are you smashing Apex accounts over there? Is that what you're doing? Tell me at least it's Apex accounts. Is it Apex or Take Profit Trader? Walgreens had good earnings not too long ago. Go smoke the cheapies, Ray. Dude, Walgreens had, I think it was really good earnings. Damn, Ray. Am I still testing it? Yeah, this is the test account right here. This is the test account. This is me trading. This is a test account. It's the only 150 account I have. That's what I'm using it for. Dude, Ray, it just happens. Yo, Ray. Ray, are you on Discord by any chance? Ray? I'm trying to find you. I was trying to. Are you on Discord or are you just on email? Yo, Ray, check your email. Check your email, dude. What's up, Peter? Well, that's good. Definitely some crazy action. Good. I'm just forward testing. This account, I'm not trading it. I'm just forward testing something. So, but the rest, I'm going pretty good. Pretty good. Yo, Ray, did you see your email though? Oh, yo, need these guys to fucking give no activation fee. They just got rid of the daily loss limit, but I need the no activation fee back. I want 40 no activation fee back. Yeah, Ray, you could follow. I can tell you exactly what I'm doing. I don't care. It's all out there. It's all out there. Yo, Ray, check what I just sent you, though. You can use Robinhood. Check what I just sent you, dude. Out there. There you go. Um, Come on, are we gonna get a dip here? I want a little dip. Hey, Cove, did you send me an email? I did. Check your email. Wah wah wah. I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback. Uh, Yo, if you, they don't care on the evals. The evals, you can do whatever you want. You could pass a Bullnox account in one day, Peter. Yeah, you could pass in one day on Bullnox. They don't care. What am I having? No, the consistency is only on the funded account. I don't know what I'm having. I got to look through my fridge and see what I'm having. I'm not sure. Yeah, you've been risking a past account for days. Yep, it's exactly what's been going on. Yeah, just go submit the past request and you're all good. I don't know what I'm having. I got to look through the fridge. I don't know. We had leftovers yesterday, so there's no leftovers of leftovers. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. Oh, man. Guess it's not coming back. I'd be looking for 719. Leftovers. Yeah, I don't know what's in there. I'm gonna have to look. I think if anything's over there, it's sesame chicken. How's that sound? It'll be sesame chicken. I got a free Humble 150K account, and they have a. I have no idea what a Humble account is. I never even heard of that. Yeah, never even heard of that. Humble Futures. Do you get humbled when you smoke it? Dude, that's expensive. Is that $181 for a 50K account? I mean, that's super expensive. Oh, they're running some dude. Their website looks like. I watched the Natty last night. What's that? What's the Natty? I don't know what that is. Oh no. I didn't even know it was on last night. How's that sound? I saw that guy on Reddit doesn't have to cut his dick off because Notre Dame lost. I don't know if you guys were following that, but there was like a huge thing about this guy that was going to cut his dick off because of if Notre Dame wins on Reddit. And he was actually like, I don't know if he's going to follow through, but it was like a whole long standing thing. I'm sure he's happy. Freaking Reddit's amazing. Dude, it's hysterical. I love Reddit for the today I fucked up, and you see all the stuff. It's amazing. Maybe he's sad. Yeah, I don't know. Freaking dude, I was just like, dude, Reddit's amazing, and just you know, oh, this thing just missed me. Better game than I should. Yo, what's crazy is now that they do the playoffs, like teams that would have gotten no shot, won it. Like back in the day, those two teams weren't the top ranked teams, so they wouldn't have even made it. Yo, that nil stuff is crazy. The NIL. Yo, what up, Snake Eyes? Man, I will say today, there's a lot of chop today. Like, a lot of chop. And then we finally moved out of it. And I wonder if they just chop it in here. You kind of got, if you look, you kind of got, this channel. And pretty much like this channel. I wonder if they just chop it in here for a little bit. I'm going to flip this stuff green during lunch. Waiting for that dip, dip. Let's see if we get it now. Oh, yo, anybody that's new on here, we're going to stream again at 2 p.m. So make sure you're around. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader. It will automatically give you the biggest discounts at all the prop firms. I set it up so it's everywhere. But I got to go eat. I am starving, and they say not to trade at lunch because your portfolio can take a punch. So I'm going to sit here and go grab some food. I'll be back at 2. Peace.